I underestimated the size of the room. I could have gone bigger. By a lot. I need to think. Crap! Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the final episode of Extreme Makeover of the DIY room. It is the series finale. I feel like it's been a whole month of redoing this room and it's finally time to reveal how cute it's gonna look. Also, I feel like I've had some emotional up and downs throughout this process. We had a very bacon strip looking wall a few episodes ago. We had to do color changes. I think we've really upped the quality of the bacon strip on the wall and I'm just embracing it. I'm embracing the online bullying that I received, re the bacon strip, and we're just gonna go with it. I have so much fun stuff planned for this backdrop and it's gonna be so just like we're leveling up a little bit. I feel like version 1 was just like colored, neons, bright, lights, sparkles, glitter, and like now we're just a little more grown, you know? Like same Lauren, just like a little more grown. And also just like a little less in your face for every single video. Side note, I'm wearing jeans today. Not entirely sure how I feel about it. Not gonna lie, I wore this exact same outfit last night for a party and here I am today. Reuse, reduce, recycle, people. Anyways, I'm so excited to pull this whole thing together today and do the final reveal. Even though it's a little bittersweet filming the finale today, I'm so excited for next week's series. We're hopping right into a thrift, flips, and finds series. And like, we go in all over the city. I'm gonna be thrifting in like beach areas, suburbia, downtowns, the hypebeast areas. It's gonna be so good. Like multiple episodes of thrifting. I asked you guys on social media what the most important part of like the thrifting process is. And you guys gave me some amazing feedback. So you can also let me know in the comments what your favorite part of that process is because I'm so excited for this freaking series. Okay, so let's do like a quick little recap of all the things that this poor room has gone through. So we had the original DIY room where we destroyed, removed, peeled off, nailed the wall, and then we spackled all the holes and sanded it, painted it, primed it, all that good stuff. Added our bacon masterpiece, which eventually ended up looking a little less bacony. And then we DIY'd. And today's video is really not on a budget, oh my gosh, because I'm thinking World Market, and World Market is like not the cheapest. So like last week, it was all about saving your coin. This week, we not saving my coin, but it's for your entertainment, so it's okay. Anyways, let's do like a little survey of all the pieces of decor that I already have and then take a look at what we need to grab at World Market today. Okay, so here's what we have, a little inventory. Also, I'm so excited to lay this freaking rug down because I feel like it's like a little echoey in here. And I'm not here for this. You guys deserve better audio than this. Okay, so we have a bunch of knickknacks like the picnic basket that I found randomly in my garage this week. I was doing a massive clean out and I have no picnics planned for anytime soon. So I thought that maybe just be like a little cuter in the DIY room than sitting on a shelf in my garage. And then I've been kind of picking up pieces randomly along the way of art. So a lot of stuff from Home Goods, from Marshalls, a few pieces actually from Michael's. They have like a randomly really cute decor section and usually like 30% off coupons. So like even though we didn't really save coin, Michael's always has coupons, so look for your coupons. And then I ordered a few things off Wayfair and Target as well. So it's like a nice mix of like neutrals, whites, tans, and woods. So I feel like we have like a lot to work with there, and then definitely gonna pick up a few more pieces at World Market today. PS not sponsored, but World Market, like hit your girl up if you try to do something. Cause I'm about to spend a lot of money at your store. You're welcome. I also have like a ton of greenery and plants, like honestly, probably too much greenery. So we're gonna have to like filter through to see what looks good and what doesn't. I feel like there's like a few succulents, a few like hanging plants, which I feel like adds so much dimension. And also because these shelves are kind of staggered, I feel like it'll be nice to like have hanging floral greenery things. I'm not gonna lie, I was like a little hesitant at first about having green plus like these colors. I was like, is that weird? Like, is it? But I feel like it's like earthy. Also, like, is that semi-plant racist to be like, I don't want to put you here because you're green, and like I don't know if green works. Like that feels feels wrong. On behalf of the rights of the plants, it doesn't feel right. So anyways, I think it's really cute. I'm down with the green, I'm down with the plants. I think it's gonna be good. And then we also have all the DIYs that we did from episode 3 of this series. So if you are redecorating your room or looking for DIYs, we did, I think, 5 total, like thrift inspired and super cheap and affordable room decor DIYs to save your coin. So we also have all of those to work with. So honestly, I feel like we're in a really good spot right now, but let's hit World Market. Sponsor me. This is cute, right?
Yeah, that looks like something you have already.
It's like the blue one, but blue. It's 2020, baby. I'm getting mature-ish. Bala sticks. You a bala? We should get a cookies and cream one, right? Comes for decor, just gets Kit Kats. Do we need a giant paper clip? Absolutely. Ooh, wait, this is like the exact same, like, oh my god! Hello, I'm definitely not filming this for the second time because my audio got cut from my first time. Hello, we're gonna do this haul again. So like literally, my audio just decided to just not be there for the first half of a bunch of the clips for this video. So I got my hair dyed a few days ago. Not like my hair dyed, but like she needed her roots touched up. So for the second half of the video, past this point, I'm gonna look a little bit different. My hair is straight. I'm wearing a totally different outfit because it was a different day. And did I think my video was done earlier this week? Yes. Did the audio totally F me? Yes. Are we doing this one more time? Yes. Okay, so back from World Market, and honestly, this haul was bomb. At least we had the B-roll to show that like, this is real, and we just doing this portion again. But I'm gonna walk you through some of the things that we got, and then Past Lauren is gonna walk you through the second half of the haul, things that we got. Shout out to you, Past Lauren. Okay, so the first thing we got is this pillow, and again, I feel like this just screams Aspen Ovard, which was like kind of the color theme aesthetic goal of this room. So I feel like Aspen, now that she is with child, is just so like mature and like has sophisticated, me as I'm trying to say sophisticated, I'm just like burping in my mouth. Aspen's color palette is so cute, and that definitely was a huge inspiration. So love this pillow. I feel like she's also, ready? Not gonna lie, I did that in the first video and it landed so well, so we're just gonna keep doing it until I can land this. I feel like that was too forceful, right? Yeah. It needs to be more like a, eyes closed. I can do better. Man, last time it literally was like a one throw wonder, guys, I swear. You know what? Let's insert that footage with no audio. Roll that, roll that. Okay, last time. I feel it. I feel good about this one.
Oh!
So next piece I got is this little like 3 bulb flower holder, and I feel like it's probably like really great for real plants, but we not trying to keep anything alive aside from myself and Moose and sometimes Jeremy. So I've got this one and
Matt.
We're trying to keep Matt alive as well. And then I got these 3 little flowers here that I feel like will just be so cute and like perfect for this. Ooh, she's mature. And then I got this one, and I actually have this hanging up in my office already, but this is one of the hanging planters that is gonna go up with that one that's already hung up from Past Lauren filming it. And this is the planter that's gonna go inside. I feel like the color palette was just like so on point. And then this little plant I also just got from World Market, and she's nice. She's like thick, but like not too dangly, and it's solid. All right, Past Lauren, finish off the haul. Honestly, I'm so sad because I feel like I look better right now than I did in the other video because we did like a lot of work. So like you're about to see me like screw some stuff into the ceiling, do a little bit of vacuuming, covering things with all these canvases, decorating the whole thing. So sorry that my appearance really goes downhill from here, but enjoy the rest of the video of where the audio is A+. Did I need a giant gold paper clip? Absolutely. Absolutely. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is so cute. This was definitely more expensive than I would like it to be, but the color was just so perfect and I couldn't say no. But it's so cute. Look, it matches so well. It's so good. This cute little tea light. Do I have tea lights? I think I do. Some adult beverages that looked really delicious that I will not be drinking on camera because we try to stay monetized. Ooh, okay, I mentioned the snack section. Snack section came through. So we've got peach gummy candy, cookies and cream Kit Kat, and Haribo Balla Sticks, raspberry and blackberry. Stand by for a candy taste testing at some point when I get tired of decorating. This is an elephant tape holder. Could not get this. You rip it off at its butt. That's so cute. Did I need a llama dusting mitt? Absolutely. And then a wicker basket, I think, for this corner for the collection of stuffies that has taken over Moose's couch. Wait, this sloth pillow is actually really cute right here. Oh yeah, that's it. We're taking a quick intermission for World Market candy testing. Not the packaging I thought it was gonna come into. It looks like, woo! This is like more gummy than I would like it to be. Okay. Yeah. It tastes like after you suck all the sour stuff off of Fuzzy Peach and you get like the inside gummies. I'm into it though. Honestly, I just kind of bought it because it looked like a butt on the outside. I'm not even sure where these are from. There's a different language on it, but it's not English, it's not French, it's not Spanish. Oh, I don't know about this one. Like, would I eat the whole thing? Yes. But like, would I go back for a second one? Not sure. You want to try this one too?
Yeah.
Oh. No, you're taking two. It's weird, right? Also, I'm totally exposing how I just moved all the crap in this room to the other side.
Oh.
You don't even know this
you don't see this. It was okay.
That's how I feel too. It's okay. This one's got the weirdest texture.
It's good. I like it.
Wow! I feel like these you can't go wrong with. I wonder where these are from. Product of the UK. All right, UK. I'm usually a fan of like other kinds of Kit Kats. I feel like I still have peach gummy taste in my mouth and it's all very confusing for me. Yeah. It's a yes. Okay, I feel adequately sugar rushed to continue decorating.
We didn't even start. We didn't even start.
Literally, I was like, let's just go to the snack test. Okay, let's start decorating. Okay, so my main concern, A, is that I should have finished chewing this before I got up here, and B, it's still really hot. Oh my god. The danger rating feels high in today's video. Oh my god. Yes, see, I told you, danger rating high. Okay, so as YOLO as I am, this is actually a good tip. So these are called swag hooks, and essentially it's for holding anything heavy. So I'm gonna make a hole in the ceiling that can fit this whole piece through it. It goes through, these things pop open, and then it sits against the inside of the ceiling like this, so that like it can't just like pop through and smash all your nice things. Swag hook. That's how they should make the commercial, is like, did you almost just die again?
Yeah.
Danger level high. Danger level high. The only problem is that because the hole has to be so big, you have to drill for so freaking long and dust goes everywhere. So can't wait to inhale all of that. I think my ceiling's insulated. Like, I think a little bit of insulation just came out. Dan, my HVAC man, if you are watching this, I am so sorry. That's definitely insulation. That sound is the worst! Ah! I've had an incident. It's rug time, y'all! Am I gonna regret having a white rug? Most likely. Doesn't matter. Actually, probably shouldn't have gotten a white rug, but it gon' look cute. It's also pretty shaggy, so it's like not the easiest to clean. Oh my god, why is this rug so much work to open? Oh my god, timber. What the heck? I truly envision this just to be like an easy rug rollout. Maybe we do a little Mr. Kate rug cuddle with one of my plushies. Oh, she cute. She a little small. I could have gone bigger. By a lot. I underestimated the size of the room. It's like the length of me. It's so dinky. It's so dinky. Why is it so dinky? I need to think. Crap! Okay, so I turned it the other way, so sections of the room actually not bad. It's not great for audio. Like, I feel like I should probably get something bigger, but it's actually not too bad if we were to put the craft table right on top here. It really does make it feel like this half is the filming set, that half is the junk storage side and the filming side, the mat side.
Yeah, the junk side. Thanks.
No, literally it came out and I was like, oh no, I'm about to get roasted for this.
No, it looks good though.
From here, this way it looks good.
Yeah.
Wow, that side does look really good. You're right, now that we've switched angles,
Yeah, see?
this side looks good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling a little overwhelmed, but I feel like this is my favorite decorating trick, is I'm gonna start with all my favorite pieces and kind of work the center and then go outwards. So the last shelf I'll probably do is gonna be the very top one, since you don't always see that one. And this is like the main focus of the background, so. Also, this outlet is so ugly and she's gotta go. Mama dusting mitt. First contact. Wow. There's something so much better about cleaning with a llama than cleaning normally. I feel like his ears are good for getting in the small spots. Oh my freaking gosh, guys, we're done! Oh my gosh, we're done. Okay, so we have just come so far from the piece of bacon halfway through episode 2. Honestly, there were multiple times where I was like, this isn't gonna come together. There's gonna be a part 2 of this entire series of me redoing the extreme makeover of redoing this room. But honestly, I'm so in love with it. I love the way it turned out. I almost feel like I didn't buy enough decor to have enough options. A couple things didn't make the cut. The picnic basket was like too rotund to like look natural anywhere. The clock didn't make the cut, but that's okay. It was a fun DIY to do anyways. But honestly, I'm so happy with it and I'm so excited to film the intros and outros of the thrifting series here in next week's video. Okay, so the moment we've all been waiting for, the super satisfying before and after footage. Rolling!
If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this series and enjoyed the series finale of Extreme Makeover of the DIY room. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've seen all 4 of the episodes. If you've made it this far in the video, leave me a comment that says, Matt is a candy rope. Like those blueberry ones that we ate, or the blue raspberry ones.
That's so random.
I was like, what would make no sense to someone who didn't finish the video? So if you made it that far, leave me that comment for Matt and I to see. Anyways, I had so much fun doing this series. Let me know if you want me to flip another room in the house, because I feel like there's probably another room. I have like a junk room that just like never made it into anything else. There's definitely a possibility that we could do like a season 2 extreme makeover within my house. So excited for the thrifting series to start next week. I'm still coming up with a name for it, so if anything like genius comes to mind, let me know. Anyways, I love you guys and I will see you next Sunday for another Sunday DIY. Bye guys!
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. little kingdom out here running the streets.